Hi guys, this is Bitcoin Geekend and today it's 2nd of March and we just passed very historic day. A lot of people already talked about that Bitcoin price already broke the price of gold, and that was 2nd of March, and that was pretty amazing. So I was looking at the chart at the time, and this is a recording, so let me just show you. All right. So it is pretty interesting. So the bar chart here is the price of gold, and this candle chart shows BTC USD. So, and this is a 3-minute chart, and the speed is 700%. So they just no 7,000% anyway. Let's just go a little bit further, and that was pretty easy. So gold was escaping from Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was chasing and chasing and chasing, and look at that. So Bitcoin just attacked gold, and what really happened was gold started to escape from Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was persistent fellow, and was just catching up and catching up, and finally Bitcoin won the game. So that was pretty interesting moment. So well, I leave this whole video at my archive page, which I have a link below the YouTube video, so feel free to take a look. Right, so, and regarding gold, a lot of people, including myself, was arguing that, hey, is Bitcoin somehow correlated with gold or what, or that's usually a lot of, discussion was over there. And if you look at the numbers, that tells a lot of information. So this is a correlation, and so if you see the number here, that's a minus negative 37%. Between gold and Bitcoin, and this parameter is somehow a year parameter, so it's pretty recent. So if you think about they may be correlated, well, the simple answer is no. So Bitcoin doesn't correlate with gold. That's a number tells. Well, of course, we never know that if the price starts to correlate down the road, these things may change. But as of now, that the standard deviation tells it's totally unrelated. So anyway, however, the price movement was something, the battle of the gold was pretty severe, and that was pretty interesting. So that's, I just wanted to share. Okay, so as of now, we are facing a very high price. That's at 1280, and we already passed the previous high, and it seems like we are heading to the sort of the never-ending story. That's great. However, we just need to be careful. Let's just take a look at the BTC CNY chart. If we look at the BTC CNY China-based Bitcoin price, we still did not break the previous high. And when the price hits just below the 9,000, they just crashed down to 5,000 level, and that was pretty severe. And what? By the way, this level was pretty interesting. I have a Japanese community Facebook group, and I posted this screenshot, and that was this could be the level that Bitcoin may retrace just some. And the reason was, this was the date that US presidency day, and Mr. Trump won, and that started, everything changed. And right now Dow is crazy, and it's a crazy market anyway. So when the crazy market started, that was Trump. So I was looking at, this may be the level that Bitcoin price may comes down a little bit, and that was pretty much exact. That was pretty interesting. Well, I could buy it, but I didn't buy it, so it was just a number game. So that's, anyway. Right, so I have mentioned there may be a insider information leaked somewhere around 210, and because the China premium and the US dollar premium go into positive. Right, so we are now still the US dollar premium is maintaining a pretty high level, and price is coming up. So what we really need to think about as of now is, what if this Bitcoin ETF approval, which is coming 11th March. However, 11th March is Saturday, so it should be coming before 10th if SEC approve Bitcoin ETF to Winklevoss family, that's great. If it doesn't, well, that's the case. We need to think about it, right? And as of now, that binary options is selling somewhere around 40, so that means market sentiment is somewhere around 40% of approval, and it's maybe just a week ahead. So nobody knows the answer. However, my personal view is, I don't think SEC will approve. If they approve Bitcoin, they need to approve Dash, or they need to approve, another like a Ethereum or whatever they may be, or like a combination of altcoin, combination of cryptocurrency, or they need to approve a heck. So I don't think they're gonna do. However, if they approve, well, that's gonna be the happy story. Maybe the price just hike up and maybe may not be coming back down again. However, it's just a scenario like BTC CNY, the price was somewhere around, and we are inching to this pretty dangerous zone, and SEC's decision will coming down the road. What if this leak was some sort of the play, and this sort was anything could happen in a Bitcoin world. So what we really need to think about is, what if ETF is rejected and it's crushed, right? Market sentiment will go negative, and maybe that's a year-long discussion like Bitcoin hard fork is all about. We maybe see a little such news or negative news coming around here, and in that case, price may comes down, and that may be the chance for us to buy another Bitcoin. That's just my personal view. And where the price may hit coming back is, I would assume the date of this premium was reversed. So that was somewhere around 210. So if I just draw the line, this is the end of the day price. So that's 6688 CNY. So that's gonna be 210. Let's go to US dollar chart. That's 210. Okay, so this is it. All right, so it's gonna be 985. If the ETF may be rejected, there may be a price, comes down this level, and let's just take a look. Okay, so how was the previous drop? So that was somewhere around 34%. If I clone this, I'm just gonna place this one a little bit. And if there is a similar move, that's gonna be the $900 mark. Nobody knows really. That's a case, that's a plan B that we need to be prepared for. So sometimes I receive such comments like, "Hey, where is your $30,000 BTC US dollar price prediction where is it?" And that's very true. However, if to tell the truth, nobody can predict the market. The reason why the market exists in this world is because nobody can predict the future, right? So if the future is foreseeable, such market doesn't exist. The reason of this such markets, it's everything. It's the same. Like if we look at a wheat, or like a commodity, or like a rice, or meat, or milk, or whatever it may be, they need to hedge the price. That's why the markets emerged, and that means a human being cannot predict the future price. So that's why we exist. We live in a world of market. Only the thing we can do is to prepare what happened if case A happened and case B happens, and we just need to prepare for that. And that's only the thing we can do, right? If the ETF approve, well, that's gonna be great. I like it. I'm gonna be just dancing around the street. That's gonna be great. However, if maybe the price may hike up, and in that case, down the road there may be some sort of another news comes back up again. I don't know, another hack, or hard fork, or whatever it may be. There may be another news comes in. So in that case, probably what could happen is maybe this gold price will turn into support. It's my wild guess. It's nothing but guess. It's just a guess, but you know, it may be a good idea to have got some sort of the plan. So if the ETF go up, I would wait, you know, price comes back to the level of gold, and if it's crash, I may wait somewhere around 1900. And well, of course, both 1 and 2 idea is dead. You know, it's all avoided. It's all avoided, and it's gonna skyrocket to the moon. If that's the case, I am very happy. I am very happy to see that. I really want to see that. However, we just need to be prepared for some, you know, bumpy road ahead. So that's what we are looking at. Right, so that's about it. So okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I always appreciate you guys giving me a very comments, and I sometimes receive tips. I really appreciate it. Thanks. That gives me a motivation to go ahead, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Right, bye.